Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here today. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to thank you very much. I appreciate you very much, and I appreciate whether you can watch me once in a while or if you get to see my videos every day. Whatever opportunity that you have to watch my videos, I just want to say I thank you and I appreciate you. And if you are a new member here, well, welcome. And I hope that you find that you like the content that we have in our videos as well. We do try to do a variety. And today we have something that I really love, and you know it if you're a subscriber. It is Beachly. It comes in this beautiful box, #BeachEveryday. Warning, good vibes may be inside. Vitamin C for your soul. Oh yeah, and warning again, good vibes may be contagious. So hey, I love this box. And guys, I don't know if all of you have gone and seen My Fairy Garden Party. It's a collaboration with 7 channels, and I hosted it, and I put together a very beachy fairy garden. So if you haven't seen that video, I would highly recommend going over and seeing it. I'll probably have all the links down in the bottom of this channel because I do put my current giveaways that are going on in the description. So if you ever are looking for what's going on with Miss Jackie Russell and what kind of giveaways she's having, that's a good place to start to find them quickly without having to do a lot of research. You know, that can take up time. We all have, you know, our time's valuable, and I appreciate yours. But without taking up more of it, let's get in this Beachly box. I can't wait. I did do my selection. You get to pick out one item, but it's been so long ago I don't remember what I got. So let's see what I picked. This is our spring 2022, and look at them. They're all dressed up for the beach, and they look so nice. And we have lots of little items here. Have some fun in the sun the Beachly way this spring. And have you been dreaming of a seascape to warmer days and brighter vibes? This season's box has everything you could dream of and more. We're bringing you all those tropical vacay essentials with a touch of flirty feminine flair for all adventures waiting on the horizon. A light and flowery cover-up dress. Ooh, it's oversized, it says. And it's fixing to go in to some of the other things that we have. So I'm going to just show you instead of tell you. But the first item we have is the Seascape cover-up dress. If you haven't subscribed to Beachly and you want to, before we get into this box, I will tell you it's $99 a quarter. You can get it for $89 a quarter if you pay up front for all 4 seasons. Now, there is also, you get 25, I get 25 code that I can email you. They don't have a link set up, and why they don't do that, I don't know. But if you are interested in getting $25 off your box, email me at missjackierussell@yahoo.com, and I will email you the link from their site that will give you $25. And again, I will get a $25 credit, so I don't want to be misleading. I do receive something from that, but you only use that if you're interested in $25 for yourself on the first box. So I think you'll like the box if you decide to get it, but let's look at the cover-up. This has a retail price of $118. So guys, I paid $99. I actually paid $89. And I get this for $118 cover-up for less than, almost $30 less than what it cost. Now look at this. Isn't that very tropical? I'm going to have to get up to show it to you. Oh, this is very nice. Very nice. It's got the short cap sleeves, and it's very roomy. So if one size will fit all. It does have the button up like a blouse. Get that a little closer, get those tags off of there so you can see it. And it looks like it has some button pockets. So this is very cute, and it's very long, so it's going to do a full cover for you. And you might could even wear this with some leggings if you want to wear it in a different way. It says it's a cover-up dress, and I would say that's a great description. It's a oh so feminine, oh so versatile. The options with this cover-up are endless. Wear it buttoned up as a dress, open over your favorite swim piece, or tied up as a casual top, light and flowy. This is the perfect transitional piece as the weather warms up in the spring. So I say that's very true. Our next item is a shore break weekender tote. Guys, look at this. This has a value of $120. Isn't this beautiful? It's woven. It's a woven exterior on this side. It's canvas on the other side. And it appears to have leather handles. Very nice. It's a zipper style, so you can zip. I can't wait to take this to the beach. Did I tell you where we're going? We are booked for Cozumel in June. So actually the end of May. Well, I guess it's pretty much June. But I can't wait. It's got a little zipper pocket in here. And I've been needing a new bag, and I'm very picky about what I have. But I like this, so this is going to be a great little beach bag. So, alright, I'm happy with it. I like the colors. It looks very beachy. Very good. The details on this, it's the perfect handheld accessory to top off your fresh spring style. This oversized tote boasts enough room for beach treasures, weekend essentials, or everyday staples. Whether you are heading to the beach, the market, or an exotic holiday, this sidekick adds a touch of style and function to your laid-back look, and I totally agree. Love it. So there we go, 118 and 120. So right now I've got about $248 value for my $89. Like I tell you, I think this is a great value. Our next item are, if you're going on a trip, you gotta have some packing cubes. Okay guys, these are some nice sized packing cubes. This 2-piece set is a perfect helper to keep your beach getaway essentials compact and organized. Use the larger cube for tops, tees, and cover-ups, and the smaller cube for swimwear. These packing cubes are both collapsible and easy transferable to separate belongings for hassle-free travel. I had to say I agree. And guys, the retail value of the Cleobella company is $75. So let's just add, that's like $323 or $24 that we have invested here in this particular package, which is just great. Our next item is a tropical 3-pack travel. It says douches. What the world is that? Okay, that's what it looks like. These little beauties meet TSA carry-on requirements and are compact, lightweight, and our favorite part. These prints are cute enough to show off on your vanity. They're perfect for a weekend getaway to bring your must-have beauty products along with you. So instead of carrying a bottle, they've got these little, they call them 3-pack travel douches. Is that what that says? That's what I'm reading, okay? So unless I'm pronouncing it wrong. But it's a $12 value. And these are plastic and they're flat. But you can just unscrew the top and then put in your favorite shampoo, conditioner, whatever it is that you want to put in here that you can take with you, and they're TSA approved. So it's just the right amount ounces that you can get through the TSA. So that's very interesting and good to know. I like that. And so then I guess we're up to like $360 something. And our next item is a Beachcomber convertible bracelet. So let's see what that is. It has a retail value of $12. And this is one of those bracelets that you can slide off and on. See how the back is there? It's handcrafted with love. It's by Lotus and Luna. And we get a lot of crafts from them and our jewelry. And this is a slide bracelet. This is very pretty. I will tell you that this will be in a giveaway at some point because I don't wear these type of bracelets. So be on the lookout for that. That was a $12 value. The next item we have is the Salt Air Roller. So let's see what that's all about. It comes in this package, and it says Salt Air on there, and it says Clean Beauty, and its fragrance notes is driftwood, seawood, and sea salt. And this is like a little roll-on roller ball cologne. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells just like if you're going to the beach. Oh, I love that. I'm gonna put it on all over. I'll just have a little bit of the beach on me. Yay! I really like that. This might be one of my favorite items right here. Oh, I love that. This smells wonderful. And I can smell those scents in there. What did I tell you? It has notes of driftwood, seawood, and sea salt. And I guess that's what it does smell like. It smells like you're at the beach. And it's kind of got a nice little floral, I don't know, scent to it too, which I like floral, so that's no big deal for me. But anyways, guys, I love this, my Beachly box. They never disappoint me. I just love it. So as a recap, oh, and this was $29. So we're up to close to $300 value for my $89. So I think this is a great value for this box. If you like the beach or you like to have beachy things to take to the pool or to have around the house, I highly recommend them. And this is a recap. We got our Salt Air Roll-On perfume, which smells very good. We got our TSA approved travel containers that we can put our shampoos and our lotions that we want in there. We got this traveling packing bags, and there's 2 of them, and they're good size and they're really nice and tropical looking. We got this cute little bracelet, and I'm just going to go ahead and do a surprise giveaway here, okay guys, because I already know this is a type of jewelry that I don't wear, and I would love to share it and have one of you enjoy it. So in the bottom, just put, let's use the code word Lotus, L-O-T-U-S. And if you put that keyword in there, you will have an opportunity to win this little bracelet. Now, the rules of this, of course, you got to be 18 years or older. You must use the word that I just told you. You must have an address within the continental USA. Beachly or YouTube is not affiliated with this giveaway. I purchased this box, this came in this box, and I decided to give it to you. So this is owned by me, and I am giving it away to one of you. The regular rules will apply. My surprise giveaways are open-ended, which means I can close at any time. It can last 2 days, it can last 2 weeks. So that gives you opportunity to get in there and have a chance to win this bracelet if you're interested. So that was a little surprise that I just tossed in there. I will be sure and put the grand total up in the screen there of my Beachly. And I did forget 2 items. I got so carried away with the giveaway. I have this nice beach bag as part of my recap. And I have this beautiful, it's a dress or a cover-up, and it's very beachy looking, and I just love it, don't you guys? Looks very pretty. I like those colors. Like I said, I love this box. I love everything that's in it, and I love the bracelet too, but I'm going to share it with you. Did you have a favorite out of one of these? What was your favorite? If you could choose only one item, what would it be? They had some great ones in this one. And I know I said I like the perfume the best, but I also like that tote and I like my cover-up. So I think I have several favorites in this one. But as for today, that's all I have for Beachly. I want to remind you that I do have several giveaways going on. And as I mentioned, you can find most of them in my descriptions. I've got some new collabs that'll be coming out more toward April. I've got my 500 subscriber giveaway coming up, and that will have a FabFitFun curated box for it. I'm just waiting for all my FabFitFun to show up. And there will be more battles with my daughter, Laura Wooten. So lots going on with this channel, and I hope you enjoy all the content. If there's something that I'm not doing or whatever, I guess let me know and maybe we can add it in. But as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.